is not working.
The screen remains black. It will not charge.
Okay, I'm heading out now. Make sure you finish your homework before I get back. I can't be late. I have to go right now.
Walking on sunshine, wow, and the trees look so green today. I just can't help but sing when
I really hope the bus gets here soon. I cannot wait to get downtown and see the new exhibits at the museum. It's gonna be amazing. The bus moves fast. Here is the shopping mall. The air is cool inside. Okay, I think it's... Yes, found it! It's on the second floor, right around the corner. There are many lights. Oh my gosh, these new phones look absolutely stunning. The colors are so vibrant. This one is too heavy. Borge touch moralatur. Silver is a nice color.
The screen is fast.
This screen is too small. Oh wow, look at this pink. It's absolutely perfect. I have to get this one. The picture is clear. The price is good today. It has lots of space. I will buy this phone. Puis fais Parayon, Kaimi, Swerberor Viva 2, DB1 Tassiso. These are all amazing. I think I have to go with this glittery pink one. It's perfect. But
Clear is best for me.
do not forget the power. The payment is done. Hello? I keep the paper safe. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Have a great day. I am very whole. I am very happy now. The water looks nice. I will rest my legs. No, I wait for home. Home. The sun is still up. It is busy outside. I hold my bag tight. I will send many texts. My street is quiet. Time to open the box.
The plastic comes off. It feels very smooth.
Woohoo!
It is waking up. Oh. Whoa. It says hello to me. I choose my language. The internet is fast.
My thumb is the key. Uh-huh.
The first photo is me. Huh. I get my favorite apps. Oh. It is ready to call. Oh.
I sit and play.
I text my friend. Friend.
The ringtone is loud. I can hear very well. Owi kuar nan agipra very well.
This was a good choice.
Woo, woo, woo. I clean up the mess. Goodbye, old phone.
The music sounds great. I take a nature photo. The colors are true. Now I read a book.
My phone waits for me.
That is so sweet. You always know how to make me smile.